What's today?
Yeah, it's just a little tree in the forest. It can be a Christmas tree if you want.
So it's a month, over a month from now.
And then,
it has a star.
Yes, hold on.
yes,
Hold on.
it has a bead. That is Ninja Doll. And what's that towel covering over there? What's it covering? The troll. We hid him.
I don't like the troll.
Oh, is the troll kind of scary?
We covered him.
Yeah.
And we right there, look at me. Right on the horsey. I love it. We sitting on the horsey. We have to buy Mama one.
So what was wrong
We have
with
to get a mama fairy?
Yeah.
We could. We could get a grandma fairy too and a grandpa fairy. What a great idea. I'll have to add a mama, daddy, grandma, and grandpa fairies to the fairy garden. What do you think? What's in your fairy garden? Do you have a troll? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.